Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of renewable energy and battery technology. A Chinese battery manufacturer, Sigenergy, has just unveiled a game-changer for commercial and industrial solar installations. Get ready to explore the incredible features and implications of this 166 kilowatts inverter. So, what's all the buzz about? Well, Sigenergy's new inverter is designed to revolutionize how businesses integrate solar and energy storage systems. With upgraded power electronics, this inverter promises higher performance and simpler deployment, making it an attractive option for companies looking to go green and cut costs. Let's break down some key specs. This inverter packs a punch with a maximum PV input power of 270 kilowatts, and a DC input voltage of up to 1100 V. It operates efficiently within a wide MPPT voltage range and features multiple trackers, ensuring optimal performance. And get this, it can achieve a peak efficiency of 98.7% thanks to its smart air cooling system. But it's not just about the numbers. What makes this inverter truly impressive is its versatility and durability. Designed for challenging environments, it can handle altitudes of up to 5,000 meters, making it perfect for high-altitude solar projects. Plus, with a range of safety features and connectivity options, this inverter is not only powerful but also reliable and easy to manage remotely. Now, here's the really interesting part. Sigenergy's launch of this inverter coincides with the inauguration of their Nantung Smart Energy Center. This facility, a massive investment, showcases the company's commitment to global expansion and their AI-in-all strategy. It's an integrated hub for research, manufacturing, logistics, and energy management, and it's set to produce over 300,000 inverters and battery packs annually. So, what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a huge step forward for renewable energy adoption. With innovative products like this, we're seeing a future where clean energy is not only feasible but also efficient and accessible. It's an exciting development, and I can't wait to see the impact it has on the industry and our planet. What do you think? Are you as excited as I am about the potential of this technology? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of renewable energy.